Hi, so welcome to my language toolbox. This is a toolbox mainly for educators, as you can see here, students, leaders, and you can have some information about me or the page as well. So basically what this page is about is to provide language learners with some tools, to provide educators and leaders with some tools to facilitate their actions, their activities, their practices. So, first of all, let's start with the educators. Alright, so here we go. On the educators page, we have some tools like Kahoot. This is a tool that helps teach. It's mainly useful for teaching young ones, and it's very interactive. We also have Blackboard, which is mainly and normally used in high university. And we have Zoom, we have Storybird, we have English. English is a very useful tool. I used to use it when I was a pronunciation lab tutor. Most of the students liked it. You can have some English sentences that helps in pronunciation. So this is a good example of tools for educators. And let's go back to our home page. For leaders also, I created these tools, mainly Google Drive. As a leader, it is very important to keep your documents. It is very important to have information like backup information so that you don't lose them wherever you go. It's easily accessible online everywhere you go. And we also have the Dropbox. It is also a storage tool, just like the Google Drive, and it helps in storing information, files, and etc. As a leader, also, you might end up presenting, and Google Slides is one important tool to facilitate your presentation skills. And I added this also, the JSTOR. It is an article database. You can have books and articles at this site. And I believe as leaders, it is very important to update yourself with information, to update yourself with knowledge. And this website or this page provides such useful resources to update yourself with information, especially in the academic world. All right. And our final page is the students page. And like I said earlier on, this is mainly a language toolbox. And I created 3 languages for this toolbox. So like what would you like to learn today? And I have 3 languages here: French, we have bienvenue, we have English, like welcome, and we got Akan. It is the most spoken language in Ghana, where I come from. So I have these 3 languages for the student session. So let's go into the French and see what we've got there. So basically this site is providing fundamentals to learning of language. Any language most language before you start learning, you need to have some knowledge in especially alphabet. That is where we all start from when you're learning language, how to pronounce the alphabet. So this site or this page will send you to a site where you will learn how to pronounce the French alphabet.
L'alphabet Q,
So if you put your indicator on it, it gives you the sound or the pronunciation of the alphabet.
B, C, D, E, T, U, W, X, Y, Z.
Very good. And these are some extra French accents that you need to
E
know.
accent E, EDCT.
Mhm.
A.
So that is for the French site, and there's also a link to learning French song. We get some adverts here. Okay.
That I have used to generate consistent profits for the.
So there you go. With this page, or you can learn a French song with the alphabet, which makes it easy to learn. Right, let's go back to our page. And also, so after learning these alphabets, and if you are interested in learning more, advancing your skills in language, I have these toolbox, this site, which helps in learning. You have the Duolingo. It's a very useful site. There is also this site, which also helps in learning the French language. There is the BBC also site, and this is TED Talk. If you want to advance, listen to people speaking. You want to listen to people speaking French, people speaking the language you want to study. I mean, you can hear a lot of speech given by people in French here. And this is Français Facile. It is a site where you can have a lot of French exercises. You do the exercises, you get feedback, you get your correct or wrong answers. So that is a very important and useful site. Let's go back. So then you go to English also. So you have basically the same format. This site will take you to pronunciation of English alphabet. This site will also take you to learning a song in French as well. And I also have the same or similar site here that will take you to some site to learn or advance your skills in English. I've got a dictionary here. It is important when you're studying a language as well. TED Talk, which helps you to listen to speech by others. So our third and final language, it's the Akan language. Like I said, it's one of the most spoken language in Ghana, West Africa. This site will also take you to the Akan alphabet. Unlike the English alphabet with 26, we've got 22 Akan alphabet. You can also learn an Akan song here. That's pretty cool, I guess. Alright, let's get going. So these are also some sites, some tools that can help you study some basics in the Akan language. So let's see. So we've gone through the educators, the students, the leaders, and this is a little about myself and the site in general, what it's talking about. So you can read it to know more about the site as well. If you have any question or anything, you can just contact for this form. Just submit and it will come to me. So yeah, this is my language toolbox, and I know it's useful, especially for individual scholars who are interested in learning other languages. It provides a step for learning languages. All right, that's my project. Thank you.